fuck is wrong with this thing? Get this fucking thing running right, jerk off. We got a show to do. Hey YouTube, this is J Papa 1975 coming to you with another video. I'm also I hit my 50th subscriber already, so I'll be doing my giveaway today. Also, I got some stuff to open up and share with you guys, man. First thing up is this 1984 Super Baseball, new supersized. This is the card that came in that pack. It was 1984 Rickey Henderson. I don't know if you guys can see this. Unfortunately, it's got like a big crease right here, but that's fine. I was more than happy with it. I just thought that was a cool ass card. I don't have it. Somehow I'm gonna set this up in the background. I'll be moving soon, so I'm gonna set this up a little differently once I get out of here. Then I got some mail today. I figured I'd open with you guys. And this mail is coming from Snellville, Georgia. Wherever that is. I know it's south of the Mason-Dixon line. Let's see what this is. Oh my God. I probably should have opened this beforehand, right? Couple of cards I got off of Facebook Marketplace. So Upper Deck Derek Jeter. What year is this? I can't read what it says. But I liked it, so I grabbed it. Another Derek Jeter. I think it was like a whole stack of Jeters. Oh, I know where I got this off of Facebook Marketplace. Yeah, look at that bad boy. Look at that shine. I guess they threw this in as a bonus card. I got another one of the Core 4. And another Jeter. This thing is like super wrapped up. I'm actually getting a refractor off this guy later on within the next week or two. It'll probably be the last package I get here at the old apartment. Oh yeah, this guy got this thing really taped up, dude. Wow. Well, I give it to him. At least he used the painter's tape, man. He really taped this thing up, though. Well, I think this is the reason why I bought the whole lot right here. I seen that he was selling this card, and I grabbed the rest of them as a lot. A lot of times when I buy something off somebody on Facebook Marketplace, I always ask them what other cards they got. Try to make a bigger deal. I just like that, man. That's got some shiny appeal to it right there. That's on the top. I don't know what set that's from. I'm gonna have to do some research on that one. Own the game, baby. The captain, my captain right there. And that was the mail. Also, I actually went over to the LCS today and I bought another box of Diamond Kings. And he wound up, I bought the box of Diamond Kings and then I bought a fat pack of the Bowman and he wound up throwing a free pack of Bowman in. That's why I paid. I'm actually glad, man. Everybody's depressed that Target's not gonna be having cards right now. I'm kind of glad, man. You know, that those LCSs that have been struggling for years, man. They not only are they flourishing, but there's new ones popping up now, man. So you'll be able to support a local business instead of Target. I got the Nick Madrigal, Garrett Crochet, Jose Altuve, the Polar Bear, Manny Machado, Luis Garcia, Sixto Sanchez, Xander Bogaerts, Paul Goldschmidt, Josh Bell, Mookie Betts, Alex Bregman, Jose Abreu, Fernando Tatis Jr., Rookie of the Year favorite, Jake Cronenworth. I like that. Brian Bolvas. The auto, look at that, out of one fat pack. That's a nice hit, man. That last pack mojo, man. A lot of times that happens. You buy the last pack in the box, and bam. Riley Green, top 100, number 29, prospect. Alex Thomas. Nick Bitsko. Jared Kelly. Matthew Liberatore. Pete Crow Armstrong. Zach Veen. Ishmael Mina, the first Bowman. Asa Lacy, Nick Bitsko, Casey Martin, Jared Kelly, another first Bowman. Yoniar Severino, first Bowman. Max Meyer, Yolbert Sanchez. Oh, there's a blue one. What we got for the blue one? Nick Lofton. And that's 41 out of 150. Was I on the camera there? All right. One pack and I got the auto. I don't know who that is. It is a first Bowman though, man. So that's his first Bowman card. Anthony Santander. Oh, what's this? It's a piece of a card. Song got cut shitty. Luis Robert. Christian Pache, rookie. Keibert Ruiz. Oh, there you go. Positional Promise on the Franco. That's nice. I like that card. Nolan Jones. That's not numbered. Nolan Jones. Gunnar Henderson. Oh, two cards with that. Dylan Diggler. Dirk Diggler. Adinso Reyes, Christian Robertson. I didn't see which card was cut and messed up there. Some good cards out of Bowman. That was only out of 2 packs. I'll take that any day of the week. Just happened to pick up that box on a humble. And then, the fat pack. And then the guy was like, oh man, you know, coming here all the time. I spend a decent amount of money in there. Every time I go in there, he always hits me off with something free. Plus, I was able to pick up some top loaders today. Much needed. It seems like every time you get supplies in, man, like poof, the next day they're gone, man. Supplies don't last long anymore. Cards don't last long anymore. Target don't even want to handle them. I'm actually starting to think about doing small breaks, man. If guys are interested in that, man, let me know. I can get to the... I have like... easy access to at least 4 different hobby stores in my area. I know there's more. I just haven't been able to get to every one of them. So if breaks are something guys are interested in doing, man, you could hit me up for that. I'm down to try to do something like that. I guess team breaks, maybe like per box or whatever, do a box. All right, here we go. Our first pack. Joe Sewell, Joey Bart, Mickey Cochran, Luis Roberts, Keegan Akin, and a Mickey Cochran Aficionado. I like those cards, man. Eddie Collins and a Roger Maris. Oh, shoe is Joe Jackson. That's a nice card. Casey Mize, a good rookie. Hae-Sung Kim, Adonis Medina. What's this here? Christian Javier, gray frame, parallel. David Ortiz, legacy lithographs. Dalton Jeffries and Trevor Rogers. This pack actually feels thick. There might be a space in it though. Okay, good. Donuts is good for that, or Panini, which is good. Ryan Jeffers, Mickey Mantle, William Contreras, Christian Yelich, Jesus Sanchez. Oh, like I said, this boat, what's that? Trey Turner, Elegance for Washington Nationals. Tris Speaker and a Sixto Sanchez. What would you do with a Tento Sanchez? I don't know, son. No, I don't think there's a space right there. Spencer Howard, George Sizzler, Roberto Clemente, Andy Young. And who is this? Oh, is this an Alex Kirilloff? Oh, what is this stuff? Oh, look at that. That's nice right there, man. That's a nice little relic auto. Boom. Some good luck today, man. A free pack of Bowman. A little auto relic. Christy Mathewson, Gallery of the Stars. Ryan Castellani. Was it debut Diamond Kings? And a Daz Cameron rookie card. Yeah, so far, I got 2 autos. That auto relic of Alex Kirilloff is nice, man. Pete Rose, I always get this card, man. I like this card. Shane McClanahan. Guy's got a good Italian last name right there. We got something coming up. Ty Cobb. Miguel Cabrera. Oh, this is a relic guy. Oh. Alan Trammell. Bat Kings. Look at that. What is that? Out of 25. Yeah, I like that. That's a nice bat relic, man. Out of 25. 1 of 25. That's a nice little bat relic right there, man. Oh. Oh, and a legacy lithograph of Yogi. Hey, boo boo. Brent Rooker. Zach McKinstry. Rookie card. I think that's both the hits out of this product. But you never know. Panini is good for putting extra stuff in there, man. Braylon Marquez rookie card. Kohai Arihara rookie card. Alex Kirilloff. Aaron Judge for the New York Yankees, man. Ian Anderson. Randy Arozarena. Aficionado. This guy's a Yankee killer, man. Give him that. Joey Bart. And a Ronald Acuna Jr. This pack feels kind of thick right here. Unless it's another spacer, which it is. Oh, that was a nice card. Chris Bryant. John Mai Jones. I haven't seen this guy play yet. Joe Cronin. Louis Patino rookie card. Lou Gehrig. Joe Adele artist palette. I like that card. The artist palette cards, man. Dane Dunning. And a Christian Pache rookie card. Not too shabby. Let's go. Bo Bichette. Did we get this pack already? Manny Machado. Mickey Manolik. Christian Mathewson. Lucas Giolito. Oh, nice. That's my man right there. Look at that. Charlie Hustle, baby. I like those club cards, man. And Pete Rose, that's a good card right there. I like that. Bobby Dalbec. Sandy Koufax. I like this Diamond King product, man. I like that they have a lot of the older time players, man. I mean, that Alan Trammell relic was nice, man. That's a nice relic, man. Tony Gwynn, Juan Soto, Edward Olivares, Harvey Kuhn, Jorge Mateo, Mickey Mantle Elegance. That's nice. I like that card. Pee Wee Reese and Keibert Ruiz. I guess it's Ruiz, right? Gotta be pretty close to putting this set together too, man. Joey Votto, Braxton Garrett, Babe Ruth, Dylan Carlson. Oh, that one's upside down. Is that a frame card? Jose Abreu, Alejandro Kirk. You already seen. Rod Carew. That's a nice card, man. You know what? I got a newfound respect for Rod Carew. I didn't really know him. I didn't follow him. That was kind of like early in my life. But I watched the thing about Billy Martin, man, and he had nothing but good things to say about Billy, man. I don't know. I like that interview, man, they did with him for that documentary. Oh, yeah. Oh, and a Dylan Carlson frame, plum frame. That's a nice rookie card frame. And the base rookie right there. We got 2 more packs here. This one's fat. You get about 3 spacers, though, I think, per box. That's good, though, man. That stops pack searches. I like that. Who wouldn't? You know, look at that Bowman pack. I just wound up getting an auto out of 1 pack. It was literally the last pack in the box. I have the box. He gave it to me. Rogers Hornsby, Jose Ramirez, Bobby Dalbec, Cody Bellinger, Jackie Robinson, a spacer, Debbie Garcia, that looks almost badly cut. Ryan Weathers, rookie card. All right, last pack, come on. Last pack mojo. I mean, we got the 2 hits out of it, and they were both good ones, man. Brendan Lau, Pavon Smith, rookie card. Paul Goldschmidt, Keibert Ruiz. Oh, this is a frame card. Roberto Clemente. Randy Johnson. Hey, I got a Randy Johnson. Say that with an English accent. Alec Baum, rookie card. And a Nate Pearson debut Diamond Kings. Oh, maybe it wasn't so badly cut. It's just low. I didn't realize how low that was. So far, I don't know, I like that. I like that P. Rose, man. That's a really nice card. I'm gonna have to put these up here. Now I gotta check this guy out and see what he's about. What does he play for? That's Oakland? Yeah. Probably my second favorite team, man, after the Yankees. Nick Lofton out of 150. That was a nice card. And the Jake Cronenworth rookie card. That was a nice card. Norman Jones. Oh, the Wander Franco. That was a really nice card. Christian Pache rookie. I got a couple of nice cards out of here. I mean, I think that's my top cards. I would put all the club cards at the same level, man. I like these cards. Those are really nice cards, man. And then, last but not least, guys, I'm gonna do my little 50 subscriber giveaway, man. I know you guys have been waiting for that. And I think I only had like maybe like 5 people that commented, maybe 6 people. That's fine, man. You know, anything that'll help support the channel. You know how that goes. Can I see that? No, why can't I see that? No, thanks. We'll do that later. Oh yeah, look at that, 50 subscriber giveaway. Can you guys see that? I put the, what was it? Yeah, 5 guys. If you haven't seen Ethan's Elvis covers and more, he's got a great channel. He does fire sales, all kinds of stuff, man. Stacks G does the same thing. They do breaks on his channel, I think. I think the only person here that doesn't have a channel was the Best. I didn't see him with a channel. But good luck, everybody, man. Let's see who gets these cards. And this is for the Nolan Ryan and the Pete Rose. James Phillips. So James Phillips will be getting the these 2 cards, actually. I'll send you a text in the comments here, and I'll give you my email, man. You can send me your address, brother. All right, guys. And as always, man, I got some stuff to sleeve up. I definitely got some stuff. I gotta get a couple of 1-touches. That was nice. The Alan Trammell out of 25. And yeah, man, like always, guys, man, have fun, man, and have fun collecting. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Man, shit.